Hey everybody, and welcome to Photography 101 with David Hancock. I am David Hancock, YouTube's photography professor. And this month's assignment, I'm calling Rest Month, even though that's a bit of a misnomer. This is going to be a much different assignment than anything you... What? What? Don't you want to do this assignment? You don't have to do any of these assignments, Steinbeck. Come here. Okay, don't. It's a bit of a misnomer to call this Rest Month because you're not actually going to be resting, but it's less structured than any of the other months this year will be, or have been, because we're almost done. So for this month, what I want you to do for the next 2 weeks is spend an hour a day. Give or take, you can spend more, you can spend less. You'll find that it is very easy to lose an hour a day here on magnumphotos.com. Magnum is an amazing website with tons and tons of fantastic photography. So what you're going to do over your lunch, your commute home, if you aren't driving, if you ride the bus or the train, before you go to sleep, when you wake up, whatever, spread out in a few blocks over the course of the day, look through photos on Magnum. See what really good, really accomplished photographers are doing there. Do that throughout the course of the month, but starting in the third month, just start I don't know if you can hear that on the mic or not. Steinbeck, come here. What? What? Steinbeck is... You're getting a glimpse of what he is like all the time. I know when I do my Cameras and Coffees video, he's just like lying on my lap, like super docile half the time, sleeping. That is not Steinbeck. Anyway, back to this assignment. So you're going to look at Magnum photos for an hour a day for the whole month. But starting after week 2, you're going to take 35 to 36 photos over the course of those following 2 weeks, just free shooting. Whatever you normally would shoot, just shoot that. And what I want you to do at the end of this assignment is look at your work this month and see how it's different from similar photos that you've taken in the past. If you're really doing your work with looking at Magnum photos and looking at how really accomplished photographers are crafting their photos, you will see in your work a change over the course of this month. You'll see it start to have different structures that look more like what you're seeing from these other photographers. So the point of this assignment is to help you see how important it is to look at the work of other incredibly accomplished photographers so that you can work to replicate some of what they do subconsciously. This is not looking at Instagram. This is not looking at any of the other photo sharing photos. You're looking at Magnum because they have amazing photographers there. Okay? So there's a very high entry bar to get photos on that website. That's why this one in particular has been chosen. So I'll check back with you in 2 weeks to see how you're doing, and we'll pick it up from there. And I really, really look forward to seeing your work at the end of this month. Have a good 2 weeks.